In this video, I'm about to show you how to translate video with Synthesia AI. First, navigate to the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. On Google, search for Synthesia AI in the provided search bar. Now, reach the first Synthesia AI website as shown here. Once on the website, scroll down and select a video template. After that, you can edit your script in any other language. Here, a video will appear on the website. Following that, you'll get a different language option underneath the video. You can tap on any language provided and the video will be translated into that language. In this way, you can easily translate video with Synthesia AI. If you want to see the pricing, it offers a starter plan at $18 per month, the creator plan at $64 per month, and the enterprise at custom pricing. You can unlock additional useful by upgrading the given plans. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.